star date 05062019er. We came home with the things that are going to get planted today. We got a hydrangea and a deceased daffodil for 50 cents, a 6-pack of marigolds, some peppers, and a dahlia. Costs more than $1. And a big pink daisy, and some lilacs. Some of this lovely items, and yep, there's the mate to the other dead daffodil. So, that's where we start. There's the dog. Here's what the front of the house looks like. Don't look in the garage. And there's the rhododendron just planted. Here's the azaleas coming back from last year. And then again, there's the dog. See you later after some of this stuff is in the ground. The dog is so excited about today's gardening project. She can't even contain her enthusiasm. Is that fun? Good girl. Mo, do you want to do gardening? Do you want to do gardening with Mommy? Okay, so it's the end of day one. Gardening day one, May 6th. We used to have some pretty blooms on these plants out front, but we had a garden mishap, which these things happen through no fault of anybody's own. There's too much traffic out here tonight. And here's the hosta, the dahlia, and the daisy. And the end of there's the rhododendron. Oh, look, a hydrangea. Good spot for hydrangea. And over here we have our tomato patch of 2 plants. A tomato patch of 2 guarded by the bunnies, mommy bunny, baby bunny, and other bunny from Laura. And there's a curvy fence thing. Really, there's nothing there. It's just really cute. So, and beyond that, Michael and I put these. That's a forsythia, you could never tell, and these are lilac patches or lilac plants that were put in the ground today in rows. And then the forsythia, I'm sorry, was way over here. So that's the back. And over here, behind the house, is the behind the house plants. This is where the peppers are going to go. That's why they're sitting there now, becoming acclimated to their new home. There's some sunflowers that I've transplanted, and there's some flowers ready to go for tomorrow. Oh, actually, here's the sunflowers. Those are zinnias. And over here we have our lettuce and our little itty-bitty dills. Now, what happened to those blooms? Let's go find out. Anyway, these are for next spring. There's the red petunias we put there to draw the hummingbirds. Well, not draw like in art, but attract, draw. There's the yellow Asiatic lilies. Next year's hyacinths and tulips. And I'm making the birds mad because they can't come up here and eat while I'm shooting videos. So we're in search of the dahlia and daisy blooms. Where are they? And here we have the lovely dahlia and daisy combo. They're in the room here with me, keeping me company. And we'll have to tell you that story at some other time, how that happened. They accidentally came off. No, they didn't. But no, I did not intentionally pick them either. So, this is Christine signing off for Pardon My Garden, Episode 1. here on the bestviewsofnature.com.